Welcome to my workshop. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make poinsettia Christmas decorations. For my poinsettia that I am making, I went to Hobby Lobby and got the supplies in the floral section. I'm using wax paper and I'm just putting the leaves on so that when I put my hot glue on, it doesn't stick.
The poinsettia was used as a dye for cosmetics. They also used the sap to make latex. This plant can be found in southern parts of Mexico. It received its name around 1836 by Dr. Poinsettia, who sent the plant to the U.S. to be studied.
I'm taking my little gold floral piece and I'm putting it directly in the center. Now that I have that in place, I'm taking little pearls and I'm putting it around it as well. If you guys would like to know where I got the supplies to make this, I will have a link in the description below where you can get these. Once that's done, I'm taking a little bit of wire and I am going to make it so it can hook onto the tree. You can use anything from string to leftover bits of your leaf to put this on it. I'm going to be using wire, however. To cover up the wire in the back and the glue, I will just be putting a leaf over the top of it to make it look more natural. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming straight to you. Guys, I'm so excited for Christmas!